Chapter 31 wraps up Harper Lee's novel To Kill a Mockingbird in a powerfully understated but moving way. After saving Scout and Jem from Bob Ewell's attack, Boo Radley takes Scout home. Although she has addressed him by name when they were standing by Jem, Scout formally meets him for the first time inside her house, referring to him as Mr. Arthur. Scout is remarkably calm, and she takes his hand and leads him to Jem's room. They linger for a moment, with Boo stretching out his hand to touch the unconscious Jem's cheek, before Scout leads Boo back to the porch, where they sit for a while. Scout, for the first time, views the neighborhood from Boo's perspective. She suddenly understands why he had chosen to stay inside his home for so many years, staying away from the outside world's violence and corruption. Scout recounts the story of the novel to him, but uses his own perspective as if he had watched everything over the years through his window. It is a perspective that sums up his sorrow towards how society treats outcasts and the innocent. Atticus and Sheriff Heck Tate have a discussion about Bob Ewell's death. The sheriff insists that Bob fell on his own knife, sparing Boo the ordeal of becoming a town spectacle. Atticus initially resists this cover-up because he wants to teach Jem and Scout that everyone should be treated equally by the law. However, he eventually concedes, realizing that exposing Boo Radley wouldn't be right since his intervention was to protect his children. He thanks Boo for his life-saving actions and agrees to affirm the sheriff's account that Bob Ewell's death was self-inflicted. Scout then walks Boo Radley back home. She never sees him again, but the experience leaves her contemplative, and she learns the precious life lesson of seeing things from others' perspectives. After returning, she goes to Jem's room where Atticus is sitting. She asks him to read her one of the books there and falls asleep while listening, ending the book with it being just another night for Scout Finch.